Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the English class brought to you by Lata High School, Dumaya. This is Shiv Desai, Assistant Teacher English, Lata High School, Dumaya, Khulna. How are you, dear students? Hope you are fine. I am also fine. Uh, in my previous class, I discussed about narration. Um, Today I will discuss a topic that is very important, and it is for the class 6 or 7. The topic is subject, verb, and object. Dear students, they are very important to know, to understand, because every sentence must have a subject and a verb. But in case of imperative sentence, the subject you is understood. So, dear students, let's start to identify subject, verb, object, or complement. So, today's topic: subject, verb, object, and complement. Dear students, what is subject then? Subject. A subject is a noun or pronoun who performs or responsible for the action of the verb. A subject may be a noun or noun phrase. What is noun phrase? A noun phrase is a group of words ending with a noun. Let's see an example. Ruby sings a song. Ruby sings a song. Dear students, look at the board. Ruby. Here, Ruby performs the action of the sentence. So, Ruby here is a subject. Another example. The old bike is Peter's. Look, the old bike. This is not a word. Here, the subject is a noun phrase because here the subject ending with a noun, ends with a noun. So, I hope you are clear to understand what is subject. After that, we are going to verb. A verb is a word that performs the action of the sentence. A verb may be a verb phrase. That means a verb phrase is in a verb phrase we can find one or two auxiliaries and a main verb. Here, Tina wants to write a letter. Wants. Here, wants. That means chow. This word performs the action of the sentence. So, wants here is a verb. But when we find Tina has been cooking this, that dish. Here we find has been. There are auxiliaries and the main verb cooking. So we find here has been cooking. It's a verb phrase. After that, we are going to discuss about object. Dear friends, Object. Object is a noun or pronoun. It may be a noun phrase. One who is the verb performs its action. Suppose the boy plays cricket. Here we find cricket is a noun. Generally the object is preceded by generally the verb precedes the object. That means object ভার্বের পরে বসে। Here we find cricket is an object. You know there are two types of object: direct object and indirect object. Direct object number 2, indirect object. Indirect object. Direct object refers thing and indirect object refers person. That means thing. That means cricket, football, and many other things. That refers things. But indirect object, him, her, their, etc. There are another types of object. They are object of preposition. Then we shall discuss about complement. You know the complement and object are of same kind, but there is a little bit difference between object and complement in their definition. That means a complement is a word. It may be a noun or noun phrase which completes the verb. It may be an object or not. The old man begs alms from door to door. Here the verb begs. Look at the board carefully. What? The complement answers the question what or whom. What does the old man beg? Alms. Here alms complement. So dear students, you have to remember that every sentence does not require a complement. It may be or not. So dear students, today we have learned about the basic parts of grammar that is very important: subject, verb, object, complement. If you want to sense voice, sense narration, we have to learn about these items carefully. So dear students, tomorrow we shall learn a new topic. This is all for the day. At last I want to say to you that stay home and stay safe in this corona crisis, in this situation. Thank you everybody. Thank you.